Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact lock type and placing the suitcase on a stable surface. Once done, expose the dials and clear any debris. Make sure your light is angled to reveal tiny gaps. You should note the current visible position of each wheel before moving anything. Next, rest one hand on the body to prevent rotation and use the other to gently press the release while feeling for tension changes at each dial. This sets you up for systematic dialing. Now you proceed wheel by wheel with a methodical approach. Start at the first wheel and slowly rotate through all digits, pausing on numbers that change the lock's feel. Make a quick mark in your notebook. Once a candidate number is found, move to the next wheel and repeat, keeping previous wheels steady. Use consistent pressure on the release mechanism to detect minute give or clicks. If two wheels interact, backtrack and reevaluate earlier picks to refine the sequence until all wheels produce the correct feel. At this stage, you test the assembled combination by applying steady, controlled pull while aligning the dials. If the lock opens, stop and write the combination in a secure place. If it does not, cycle every wheel 2 full turns to clear misalignments, then retest possible digits with the same tactile method. If still stuck, introduce light pulling tension on the shank while retrying numbers. This often reveals binding positions. As a last resort, consult the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.